crazy winds have no mind to endure. Diffused, overused, creeping through the trees, swiftly and tightly stepping on leaves, moving in and on air, sitting unsuspecting. Nothing disturbs the peace. Grace could fall on silent ears if it were only seen escaping the ludicrous and superficial eyes, a figure passing in night air. Shadows cast shadows. You're wrong. Moonlight seeps through, open, devouring a fallen floor. Moonlight holding back. There is no sun, displaying the rich red lips, the dark long hair, the figure, eyes so white, so deep, so clean, such a quickened glance from tree to tree, held in, complete in a pose. Around and around, tree to tree, red lips lusting, sweet, soft, fever moves, quick to grace, to full and through, decline, wind, to say like no other, like many seen again, treat the delight, take it. A fool might see a jest in the folly of the air. Nothing poisonous could walk, venom like sap holding the world pinned to the ground, deeply rooted, connecting the sky to the ground like steel. Warmth running up, held through typical time, the sun rising to the tired chase. Fading the face, the lips, sunlight over the moon. Thick limbs holding the cold, constant air. Time held no constant and passed. Wind whistled as the tree fell, feeling more than it heard, knowing it had fallen.